Hi, this is Gaurav Agarwal, motivational speaker and leadership consultant. Today, my topic is very interesting. Everybody is looking for motivation. Everybody wants motivation in life. But the point is, motivation aayega kahan se? Today, when I meet so many people, they ask me that what is the success formula to stay motivated all the time? Well, I have to tell them that I'm not here to motivate you. In fact, I'm here to help you out find your motivation in life. When I ask them that what is the real source of motivation that you think, they tell me it is money, name, fame, achievement, success, etc., etc. And most of the people have said that money is the main source of motivation. Well, if money is the main source of motivation, then those companies who are paying highest salaries should have had zero attrition rate. But that's not the case. People are still leaving the company. That means money is not the main motivational factor. Motivation can be divided into two categories. Number one, outside in, and number two, inside out. If motivation is dependent on some external factor, it will be temporary because the motivation which is coming from outside is not going to last long. Therefore, motivation should be inside out. If motivation is coming from any external factor, that means from a person or any situation. If that person or situation goes away, motivation will also go away. If motivation is coming from any external source, the day that external source goes down, the motivation will go down. That means motivation should not be dependent on any external factor. The main source of motivation, if we study the most successful people, is internal motivation. That is their belief system. As it is rightly said by Henry Ford, if you think you can do a thing, you are right. And if you think you cannot do a thing, you are right. I have seen so many people who are internally motivated, who wake up early, who reach office on time, accomplish their goals. They are so disciplined. Why? Because they are moved from inside. And when you are moved from inside, when you are internally motivated, then no one can take it away from you. And remember, your internal motivation will last as long as you last because it is not dependent on any external factor. Therefore, internal motivation is the most important source of motivation. Let me give you an example. एक छोटा हाथी का बच्चा होता है, उसको चेन से बांध दिया जाता है लोहे की, और जब भी वो उस चेन को तोड़ने की कोशिश करता है, वो नहीं तोड़ पाता क्योंकि माहौल उसको ट्रेन कर रहा होता है। फिर भी वो कोशिश करता है चेन को तोड़ने की, उसके चोट लगती है, उसके जख्म होता है, उसके खून निकलता है, लेकिन वो उस चेन को नहीं तोड़ पाता। और जब वो हाथी का बच्चा बड़ा हो जाता है, माहौल उसको रस्सी से बांधकर, एक बल्ली से बांधकर कहीं चला जाता है, और तब वो हाथी उस रस्सी को तोड़ने की कोशिश भी नहीं करता क्योंकि वो समझ जाता है कि वो इस रस्सी को नहीं तोड़ सकता। उसका एक बिलीफ सिस्टम चेंज कर दिया, और जहां उसका बिलीफ सिस्टम चेंज कर दिया, वो वैसे ही जीने लगता है। इसलिए मैं कहता हूं, टू हैव स्ट्रॉन्ग बिलीफ सिस्टम, you should be motivated from inside. Nothing in the external world can disturb you because external motivation is always temporary, and the motivation which is coming from inside is always permanent. You have to focus on your roots. If your roots are strong, then fruits are automatically going to be good. But the opposite is happening. People are most of the time focusing on the fruits, that how come they can have strong roots. People are busy in polishing the cage, but they are forgetting to polish the person living inside the cage. Today we are so busy in beautifying our outer self at the cost of beautifying our inner self. If you are successful from inside, you will be automatically successful from outside. As it is rightly said, that success happens twice in life. First in your mind and second in reality. You must be thinking how to change your belief system. Yes, you can do that. It might not change overnight, but it will change for sure. You have to surround yourself with people who have strong belief system, who are internally motivated, and soon you will incorporate that in your life. And the opposite is also true. If you surround yourself with people who are demotivated, then soon you will also become demotivated. Therefore, it is important to have those people in your surrounding who are self-motivated, who have very strong belief system, and soon you will also become one of them. Let me give you an example of Arunima Sinha, the first female amputee to climb the Mount Everest. एक लड़की जो जॉब इंटरव्यू के लिए ट्रेन से जा रही होती है, कुछ लड़के चलती हुई ट्रेन से उसको धक्का मारकर नीचे गिरा देते हैं। नीचे गिरते ही उसके दोनों पैरों पर ट्रेन चढ़ जाती है, एक पैर उसका कटकर वहीं लटक जाता है। वो लड़की पूरी रात मदद के लिए चिल्लाती है, उसकी मदद के लिए कोई नहीं आता। सारी रात मच्छर मक्खी उसके पैरों पर भिनभिनाते रहते हैं, चूहे बार बार आके उसका जख्म कुरेदते रहते हैं। वो रोती है, चिल्लाती है, सुबह तक उसकी मदद के लिए कोई नहीं आता। और जब उसको अस्पताल लेकर जाया जाता है, ठीक होने के बाद न्यूज रिपोर्टर उससे पूछती है कि अब तुम जीवन में क्या करना चाहती हो? जिस जॉब के लिए तुम इंटरव्यू देने जा रही थी, अब तो वो जॉब भी तुमको नहीं मिल सकती, जीवन में आगे जाके क्या करोगी? तब अरुणिमा सिन्हा कहती है दैट आई वांट टू क्लाइंब द माउंट एवरेस्ट। जी हाँ, आपने सही सुना, वो लड़की कहती है आई वांट टू क्लाइंब द माउंट एवरेस्ट। तब उसके परिवार वाले उसको बचेंद्री पाल के पास लेकर जाते हैं, द फर्स्ट इंडियन वुमन टू क्लाइंब द माउंट एवरेस्ट। कहानी सुनाती है, सुनकर बचेंद्री पाल बहुत रोती है और कहती है अरुणिमा, माउंट एवरेस्ट तो तुमने क्लाइंब कर लिया, बस अब तो दुनिया को डेट बतानी बाकी रह गई है। जी हाँ, अरुणिमा सिन्हा के पास था इंटरनल मोटिवेशन, द स्ट्रॉन्ग इंटरनल मोटिवेशन एंड बिलीफ सिस्टम। दिस इज व्हाट आई वांट टू कन्वे टू यू। आई वांट टू urge to all of you to have strong internal motivation, strong belief system, so that nothing in this world can stop you to achieve what you want. If you like this vlog, then please do share this vlog with others and subscribe to this channel so that I can keep motivating you in future as well. Thank you.